device, opens up a game and gives it to the child. It works like magic. The child is immediately quiet. To the busy mom like shown in this scenario, the device is a boon. Recently in 2019, the WHO has officially recognized gaming disorder as a mental health condition. Simply playing a lot of video games does not count as having this disorder. Rather, this disorder occurs when gaming interferes with people's lives. According to the WHO, gaming disorder is a pattern of persistent gaming behavior in which one gives priority to gaming over other activities despite all the negative consequences. Those studies show that games can help us improve our ability in solving problems and making split-second decisions. When you think about it, the cons certainly outweigh the pros. Gaming can make a positive impact in our lives, but we need to ensure that we prioritize and ensure that we're not always on our devices. What I want to say can be best conveyed through a poem I wrote. It's called Me and My iPad. Keep off your iPad, says my dad. But I know, slyly, he plays on it too and doesn't show. When I turned 9, I met a friend of mine. I used to do everything with it, including dine. It shares everything with me, and so do I. So when my mom says, study or no iPad, it's like do or die. As soon as I reach home, it feels like it's beckoning me, saying, hey, come, let's have some fun. But even after an hour, it feels like the fun has just begun. But honestly speaking, nothing can replace real friends. So give up your little pal and make amends. I hope you enjoyed listening to me, and I hope you